Welcome back to the class of resume building. To the very beginning, let us ponder over what does the term resume means. And there are two similar more terminologies. I would like to introduce you with the term biodata, and another one is curriculum vitae, and another one that we will be discussing here, resume. Let us try to identify what purpose they do serve separately. I would also like to focus on the point that no two synonyms are same in their meaning. Synonym means words of similar meaning because it is not possible to get two words having exactly the same meaning. So here we are going to identify and focus on the points of view that how biodata is different from CV, how CV is different from resume, and vice versa. Talking about biodata. Biodata talks about the personal feature of a man or a person and his personal achievements. So biodata stands for the historical background of a man and his achievements. Biodata talks also about physical, biological features. Means in biodata it can serve the marital purpose where height, figure, color will be separately mentioned. And biodata also can serve in industries, or even you can say for the receptionist job where physical features are the part of the job. It can also serve for the air hostess job. It can serve for the job, matrimonial purpose one, the personal life, and biodata can serve for the job of air hostess or flying stewards, and it also serves for the job of military. So far as male candidates are concerned, where height, chest and all that requirements are mandatory, then the biodata you are supposed to prepare. If you want to get a job in reception area, receptionist, if you want to get a job of air hostess or air flying steward, or if you want to get a job of in army or air force where physical features are equally significant as so far as your qualification is concerned. So that way biodata stands for. Let us talk about how curriculum vitae is different from biodata. CV stands for short form. It has its plural also, curriculum vitae. And then curriculum vitae is the summary of professional experience and work. It is particularly prepared for teachers, professors and experienced professionals, having the details of the books written by them, the publication history of them, and at the same time their conference seminar attended and other extensive details of the experience. And sometimes some of the dictionaries they do declare resume and CV as synonym. There is a very minor difference, but resume is a brief account. Resume stands for summary, and why we are going to discuss resume today and how it is different from CV. Let us have a focus, let us have a talk on that. CV for experienced professionals. CV stands for those for persons who are involved in teaching profession, experienced professionals or university teachers. it requires all the details of their publication, patents and so many things. But resume is for freshers and upcoming professionals. And so far as resume is concerned, it talks about brief history or documentation of your academic achievements as well as your exposure of profession that you have.